Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine first name and last name in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel document, and as you can see, I have prepared my data. I'm going to combine first name and last name. First of all, we need to select the cell we want to fill the data in, and then we need to manually type in the first name and last name like this, and you can select the whole row you have like this guys, and then just press Ctrl and E. All right, and this is the result. And if you have first name, last name, and middle name, you can just do the same. I'm going to type in the full name manually like this, and then select the whole row or the whole cell, and then Control E. Okay guys, and that's all the way to combine first name and last name in Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.